Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Long time no vlog or any kind of video. I actually don't know if this is going out before or after we get married. I'm thinking actually after. I've been filming, well, I had like 2 videos that I filmed months ago probably. I never edited them. I've been trying to find the time with finishing up wedding planning, but I haven't. So I'm going to be trying to get at least those 2 videos up, and then this is probably going up after we get married, which is on February 19th. It's our wedding day. And it's fast approaching. That's why I've been completely absent from YouTube. So like I said, you probably saw my 2 recent videos. Those were filmed long ago, but now we're back to it and we have another house update. So I figured I would at least film this and then get it up at some point. But this is a really big and exciting one because our new bed came and we're very happy with it. Are you excited?
Definitely.
Yeah, because we've had this bed, which is it was at his parents' house, like his childhood almost bed has been here. And we finally found one that's perfect. We were looking for something that's kind of like a platform style, but we kind of looked for a long time. We saw a couple of Ashley Furniture that we really liked, but we ended up not going through with those, and we looked on Wayfair and saw like all these different kinds of beds that were at least similar style, but I found like this perfect one, what was it, a couple weeks ago? So it didn't take too long to ship and get here, but yeah, we're absolutely obsessed with it. We'll hopefully see if it fits good in here. Yeah, so I was doing a lot of research, and actually when I thought to check my Pinterest board for like different pictures I've saved for the bedroom, I like clicked on a lot of the links because I never actually click through pictures I'm saving. It's usually just for like inspiration. And I realized that this bed was linked and it actually was not expensive at all. It was very affordable, and it's a really good brand. And then I looked more into it, and a lot of people have been like talking about it, and it was like viral on TikTok. So this is the Dean Sand Queen bed from Living Spaces is where we ordered it. So I think that's just the brand. All their furniture is like their brand, which is Living Spaces. And yeah, it's the Dean bed, I guess, and the color sand, and it's a queen. We were thinking about getting a king, but we figured might as well just keep the queen size for now because it already fits in here, and he already has a mattress, box spring, and whenever we move downtown, if that happens, we won't have as much space, so we figured we'd just keep the queen for now. But I'm really excited because it definitely has nice like padding around it, so it'll look even wider than this one, because that's what we're looking for, kind of like the platform. Also, we match. I know this wasn't planned, but this is what happens when I buy him clothes because it's all kind of colors I would wear. But yeah, I'm actually wearing like full this color, so I'm obsessed with these pants. I just got them. Yeah, so basically we ordered this from Living Spaces on the 12th, and today is the 29th. So it didn't take too long. I was kind of worried it was going to be coming later. It was kind of confusing. It told us the like delivery time, or it was saying it would be shipped
today.
Yeah.
It was like saying like 29th.
Like it wouldn't ship until today. But then another place I saw it would get delivered like today. So I guess we were right. It's delivery. So yeah, we're super excited. It's upholstered, which we were looking for, kind of in that platform style, and it'll be really low to the ground. I saw a girl, well, it comes with short legs, but I saw a girl not use the legs and put it flat on the ground to give even more of like a platform look. So I guess we'll see what works, but we're gonna see how long this takes us to put together. We have to take apart this bed, but we're really excited, getting a lot of things finalized for the house just in time to get married, and I'm so excited to just get everything set and decorated and fully kind of get everything organized and make it our home. We actually got this mirror yesterday when we were out. We found it at Ross actually, and we only spent $50, and I was like, this is amazing, because it was actually, I think, regular price like $150, and then their price was $70, but there's like a little kind of crack on the edge. There's like a little bit of cracking on both sides, but it totally, you can't even notice it, but I asked them if they give us a discount, so they took 25% off, and I'm obsessed. Because I always thought that we would put it in this corner. I always knew I wanted a big mirror. But when we got it, he actually suggested, good job, Johnny, that we tried this corner. And I think it's really good because you get, of course, the natural light coming through the windows. I've had these frames for forever, not sure what we're going to do with them. But yeah, we set our tables, got some lamps a long time back, and then we have like our bedding. But now we get to actually switch out the bed. Oh, the lamp, or
you weren't around for that.
The fan, yeah. There was no dedicated video for the fan, but we got this awesome new fan installed because we actually didn't have a fan. So yeah, it has the changeable like light color, and then you can also like dim it, of course, and set the fan with the little remote. So John and his dad installed that for us over Christmas when they were here, and it's perfect and I love it. It's very modern and sleek. I will also put a link to this below too. I think we ended up getting it from Home Depot. Is that where we got it? Yep. Yeah, but I'm sure the brand is like everywhere. Okay, so we're gonna get started. And I'm probably not going to show us putting or taking apart this bag because it's going to take forever. So once this one's all done and gone, we will show you guys the process of putting our new one together. So we got the 2 boxes up the stairs. I'm very much out of breath, I can't tell. But it wasn't too bad actually. But the stairs, if you don't know, wind down all the way there to the living room. So it's not the easiest trek. But we got it and it fit, so we're gonna open it up. I'm assuming this is the headboard, and that's the footboard over there. Yeah, so it's right there. Dean headboard queen. I'm so excited. I honestly think this might not take us as long as we think. When we did the IKEA dresser and those like side tables, took forever. But this should be fairly simple, and I think we're definitely gonna put it on with the legs. Because, well, for one, we don't have like a ton of space to see it for me. I don't know. I think it'll just look nicer. So we'll see. Ooh, oh, the color's perfect. Yes. You see it? It's exactly what we wanted, right? Yeah, we were looking for like a linen, kind of like tan, taupey kind of color. So like not completely white. So this is perfect. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. That's perfect. Don't you think?
It's nice and thick.
Yeah. It's like very nice and upholstered and cushioned. A lot of the Wayfair ones we were looking at were kind of
thin.
Just like thin, yeah, and especially on the sides.
This is probably like 4 inches thick. The others are probably more like a 2
Yeah,
inch.
they were like super thin, kind of like this.
Nice.
And you'll see it's really nice with the footboard. It has like a whole like padded like border, so it kind of sticks out and really gives it that platform look. So this is, oh my gosh, I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. Little intermission on the time lapse. It's looking perfect. So excited. Yeah, this is the height with the legs, and I think it's perfect. Probably would have been too small without them, and it hits our lamps perfectly. We might switch out those lampshades, but I love the shape of them. Gosh, I'm seriously loving this. And I wasn't so sure about like the white IKEA furniture. I was scared I was kind of gonna get sick of it, but I think it is perfect for what we're trying to pull in, like the taupes and stuff with the bed. Again, this is just kind of like an off-white, but we have white bedding, but I want to do like taupe colored pillows or like a quilt. So I think it's gonna look great. Coming along, Johnny. I've gotten so much more confident putting these things together. Like I'm the one that sits here and like figures out what to do. Just kidding, you know what you're doing. But I was able to just look at the things.
You're able to figure it out without my complete instruction.
Huh?
You're able to figure it out without my complete instruction.
Yeah, isn't that good? Aren't you proud of me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was able to kind of just look here and see, like obviously as you saw, we just kind of had to place it over these bolts. Like it kind of just latches on and hooks in. And then of course you screw it. And the legs are wood, as you can see. And then that, we just kind of had to lift it, put it through, and we're screwing those in. And now we have to figure out the middle, the slats. But yeah, it's been very easy to put together. And like I said, it's really nice that it has this because our bed is going to be fully inset. So we're going to have this little ledge, which is nice. Because like we said, the other ones were just kind of like flat to the side. So this kind of just makes it more nice and expensive looking. And I love it. And then now that we have this mirror here, I mean, you can't tell right now, but it'll be in like kind of the back of any picture we take in the mirror. And you'll just be able to see the whole room, which I'm really excited about. It's totally coming together. Yeah, this is so easy. We thought we were going to be up all night.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. It's so pretty. So are you.
So are you.
Looking good. Got the slots figured out. And in the carpet underneath the bed, I found this eyelash. And I really hope it's mine. Right, Johnny?
Yeah, you think so?
Yeah. Whose girl's eyelash is under your bed?
I don't know.
Yeah, but that's so sad. I probably was like looking for this at some point and then just thought they were gone forever. But I got 1/2. Oh my gosh, that's so nasty. I'm throwing it away. Oh yeah. Sidebar so I can talk about my pants. Hopefully you've been looking at my outfit and thought it looked super comfy. No, I'm just kidding. Well, this I've had forever. This long sleeve. I actually think this is my dad's. But I just don't look cute with it. Because I'm obsessed with these new pants. Got them from Zara. I've been looking for these kind of like fuzzy, like lounge kind of pants. And I don't know, I never really found any I liked, but I saw these and I was like, yes. And they had like the best sale going on. He got a bunch of shirts for our honeymoon. And I got these and a dress. And I think these were $10 and the other one was $10. My dress, and then he got shirts for like 15 or something. And Zara doesn't usually have sales like that, so we were so excited. And I'm like wanting to live in these pants because look how cute. I could even wear them like out. I wore them with my sneakers today. I mean, I was just driving here, but I wore it like with sneakers and my black puffer. It's really cute. So I can like sleep in them, I can lounge in them, I can wear them out. I don't want to take them off. I just realized, look what they wrote on the box. Look right here. My name.
Wow. Big
in Sharpie. Paige Rayburn. And they put like a big eye, like Disney. That looks like how the Disney characters would like sign my autograph book. I bet you never did that as a kid, right? No. They had that at Disneyland? He had Disneyland growing up because he was in California. I have Disney World. But yeah, I had like the autograph book and like if Chippendale would like sign my book, like I feel like the eye would look like that. Maybe that's just really specific. Never mind. I'm getting so excited. It's almost box spring time. And it is complete. Oh my gosh, it matches perfect. Quality looks so good. I love having this little like ledge, like I told you. I feel like it just connecting there makes it look so high quality, so expensive and nice. A lot of the other ones, it was just either like open and it was like a metal here, or like I said, it was just like flat to the side of the bed. But we have that and it makes it look super nice. The box spring is a little bit tall. It actually kind of shows here. So I think we might just get another fitted sheet to put on that so it kind of all blends, because I'd like to tuck this in maybe. Well, I guess we could tuck it down to give like that look. I mean, of course, neater than that, but I sometimes like when they have the comforter all the way tucked in, but right now we just kind of have it out. We just threw the stuff back on there kind of messily, but it looks perfect, and I'm loving the mirror with, of course, our lamps, side tables, all of it looks really good. So we're gonna get like, I think our throw pillows will be kind of like a tan taupe kind of color to tie into the wood. And then like a quilt or something that we can put across the bottom to kind of bring in that gray or tan kind of color. So keeping all of this like kind of bright and white, and then accenting with some colors. What do you think?
I love it.
Do you agree? No, like with my plans with all the extra colors? Okay. Yeah, but you do like it, right? Mm-hmm. You said it's great quality. Yeah, this is like nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Nice and upholstered. So if you're thinking about getting this bed, definitely get it. Would you recommend to a friend? Yeah. So I think they have, of course, like every other bed size, and I think they had some other colors. But again, this is the color sand. And it's the Dean bed from Living Spaces. So we are so obsessed. Here it is from the front. We'll kind of get like a forward view again. Excuse the mess all around. But we can finally start putting things away and making everything really homey and nice. So
they want to see the ultimate sturdy test.
Oh, okay. What is that? We'll watch this. It's gonna break. But I guess we should test it anyway, so I might as well get it on film.
It's a true test, right?
Oh God, please don't break it.
Let me take these off so I don't stab myself.
Oh, what? You have all the extra like screws in your pocket?
Yeah.
This is not a good idea. Put it with the rest. I put them in like a bag over here.
Ready?
Oh gosh, here we go. You should probably like maybe not do this. Or do it lightly first. Oh gosh. Okay, it survived.
Success.
Yep. It's comfy. Well, I mean, it's the same mattress, but yeah, it looks so good. So excited. Perfect color. Everything.
Very sturdy.
We'll definitely use, or I think we'll definitely keep the legs on it. Because like from here, it definitely still looks platformy. I don't know if we ever want to switch it up. We can do that. Yeah, I was even sitting on the ledge of it when we were finishing putting in the slats.
There's no shape to it at all.
Yeah, that's very, very stable and nice. So we're so excited. Look, you can see us now in our mirror with our amazing new bed. So we're gonna end off this video now, obviously, that we've put it together. Again, I'm so happy to hopefully get back into making more videos soon, now that I'll be able to like actually do more decorating and more like house, lifestyle, new married vlogs. So I'm very excited for that. But again, we've just been so busy the last 2 months of planning. So I was like, I definitely need to take some time off, just to, of course, like get everything done and really enjoy the time. And focus on that mostly, so that's why I haven't had any videos. But again, if you're thinking about buying this bed, because that might be why you looked up this video, definitely recommend it. We're very, very happy with it. All the information, of course, for the bed and everything will be down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.